Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate client communication with Follow-Up Boss. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Follow-Up Boss and log into your account. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left side of your dashboard. Under Settings, find and click on Email and Text options. Choose the Templates section to create your communication templates. Click on that Add Template button to start a new template. Craft your message, ensuring it's clear and professional. Include personalization tokens for a more engaging approach. Save your template once you're satisfied with the content. Return to the main dashboard and go to the Contacts tab. Select the contacts you want to automate communication for. Click on the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. Choose Send Email or Send Text based on your preferred communication method. Select the template you created earlier from the list. Schedule the message to be sent immediately or at a later date. Confirm your selection and click Send. To set up automated follow-ups, return to Settings. Go to Automation and click on Add New Automation. Define the trigger for your automation, such as a new lead added. Select the action that will follow the trigger, like sending an email or text. Choose the template you created for the follow-up communication. Set the timing for when the follow-up should be sent. Save your automation settings to enable the feature. Monitor your communications through the dashboard to ensure they are being sent effectively. Adjust templates and automations as necessary based on what works best for your clients. With these steps, you can streamline client communication and enhance your efficiency using Follow-Up Boss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.